everyone, I'm back in the studio this morning and I was making these butterflies and I thought I would take you along and do a little video here and show you how I make these. Let me zoom in just a little so you can see these close up. They're just a paper butterfly cutout, and then I've put a little scallop in the middle, and then I've just added a little jewel here in the middle. So these are really cute. You can use them when you're scrapbooking or junk journaling. I like to take these maybe and put these on little 3x3 note cards. They look kind of cute right in the middle like that. Here's another one. So these are pretty cute. So I'm going to show you real quick what material I use for them and just put them together. So let me zoom back out here. Move these out of the way. Okay, so I start out by using this paper punch. It's just a really big one here. I'm not sure what size it is, but it's a fairly good size big one. And then I've also got a 1-inch scallop that I use here. So all I do on these is I'll just take a piece of cardstock. Let's see, the pattern's really going this way, I guess, more. And I'll just come in, do a little punch. And then I will find kind of an other color. I like to use, you all know if you've watched some of my other videos, I like to use a lot of pastels. So I think this is a pretty pattern, would go good with this. And I would just glue it on like that. But before I do that, I like to add, of course, again, inking around the edge with my Distress ink. And this is in the walnut stain color, and I just use an old sponge to do this. I'll just go real quick around the edge of this. Gives it more of an antique look, I think. Kind of softens up the edges. Okay, and then I'll just bring in my glue again. I'll glue that right in the center. And turn my pattern here so it's going the right way. That looks pretty good. And then I've got several of these little rhinestone jewel things. So I'll just see what color I think might look best in the middle. Let's see, let's try a blue since we've got blue on the outside. Let's try this one. Yeah, I think I like the blue better. So then I'm just going to come in with my tacky glue. I like to keep my tacky glue in an upside down. I think this is an old baby food jar. So then it kind of keeps the glue down in the middle. I've had this for years and years. So then it's just down in the edge, doesn't get clogged up. So I'm going to put that right in the center. Just a little dab. And then I'll put my rhinestone right on there, my jewel right on there. And that is it. That's all I do with these. So I've got lots of these punched out. I've got them inked around the edges. And this is what I've been working on all morning. I've got a bunch of these all punched out. So I am going to put all these together and then I'll come back and show you all the beautiful butterflies that'll be lying around, hopefully. Okay, I've got these last two that I'm finishing here. I'll put the last little jewels in the middle. Let's see, I think that color and this darker one will be good. Try to center it up. Okay, and that is it. We have lots of cute little butterflies. These would look really pretty just put on the table as table scatter, kind of for like for Easter time, or you've got a spring party. Aren't these cute? Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have an awesome day.